Hello, students. Our last chapter of the civics is Market Around Us. So, this is the heading of our chapter Market Around Us. So, you know that whatever we people require, like vegetables, soap, paste, masala, bread, rice, everything, clothes, notebooks, biscuit, everything we will buy from the shops in a group of shops known as market. Okay, so if we'll make a list what we people buy from the market, then it will be a very long list, or you can say a endless list, an endless list. Okay, because everything whatever we required, we usually go to market, and whatever we required, we just ask from the shopkeeper and get it and came back. So these so now shops are there are many kinds of markets that we may visit for our everyday needs, like many kind of markets, or you can say, shops are there, like shops, some are hawkers, malls, vendors, and all these things you can see in the market, and we visit market every day for our basic needs. Okay, like these can include shops, hawker stalls in our neighborhood, a weekly market. Weekly market is also there, a kind of market. Weekly market is there. A large shopping complexes are there. Perhaps even a malls are there. In this chapter, we look at some of these markets and try to understand how the goods that are sold there reach. Now what we will read in this chapter, that how goods are being sold in the market. Okay, then who are the buyers? We'll read who are the buyers, like we people are the buyers, and who are the sellers. Sellers कौन होते हैं, we'll came to know about them as well, and the problems which kind of problems the people face over there, we'll study about this as well. Okay, so these all things you can see these pictures, like here you'll see a bookshop, magazine shop, you can buy every magazine from here, and this is vegetable market, you can see and buy the vegetables. These are small shops, clothes shops are there. This is big complexes. These are big complexes. In such a way markets are being divided. Okay, so our first point is weekly market. First of all, we need to understand what are the weekly markets. So weekly markets, we used to say them weekly market because it is it is held on a specific day, like in every area there is in every area or in every market, you can say in every market a day is specified for such kind of the market, like somewhere there are Monday market. We'll known such markets or by the name of day, like Monday market, Wednesday market, or Sunday market, whatever it is, which is being held for once in a week, that is known as weekly market. Understand? Moreover, these markets are not permanent markets. Okay, when shops are in permanent building, okay, weekly markets do not have permanent shops. These kind of the markets do not have permanent shops because it held only once in a week, that is why they didn't have any permanent shop. And traders were set up their shops for the day, and then they closed them up by the evening, and then they went back to their places. Understand? So there are thousands of such markets in India. People came here for their everyday requirements. So the people usually came over here to buy their everyday requirements. Okay, and moreover the days are fixed for such markets, and that is why these markets are known as with the name of the day. Understand? So there Like many things in weekly market are available at cheaper rates, and these markets are very cheap as compared to other markets. Cheap in the sense like the rates of the things are lower than other markets. Okay, this is because when shops are in permanent building, they incur a lot of expenditure. They have to pay rent, electricity fees to the government. Like you will see the difference between the good prices in weekly market or in permanent market, because in the weekly market the seller come and establish his shop for a day, and in the evening they just keep everything back and they leave the place. And but on the other hand, if we'll talk about the permanent market, they must have a shop with them. They have to pay electricity bill for that shop, plus taxes as well they need to pay. So in this way they make more expenditure. That is why the prices of goods on such shops are higher than the weekly market. Okay, so now they also have to pay wages to their workers. In the permanent market you will see that they are appointing some people as their helper, and to them they people are paying their wages, or you can say salary, whatever it is they need to pay to them. Okay, but in the weekly markets the shop owners sell the things at home, or you can say they doesn't require any helper because the family members help them. Like you can relate this thing with the subsistence farming. Got it? Most of them are helped by the family members and hence do not need to hire workers. Weekly markets also have a large number of shops selling the same goods, on which means there is competition among them. So weekly markets, a large number of shops selling the same goods. Like in this weekly market, the same product will be having by the other sellers. Like many sellers are having the same kind of the products, and they are selling the things, and in this way the competition is very higher among the weekly market owners. So if some trader were to charge a high price, people would move to another shop where the same thing may be available more cheaply, or where the buyer can bargain and bring their price down. If anyone will charging more, then they can shift from one shop to another shop, and they can bargain over there, or or the people those are selling the goods, they'll reduce the price of the goods. In this way they'll get whatever the people want. One of the advantages of weekly market is that most things you need are available at one place. Whether you want vegetable, groceries, or clothes items, utensils, all of them can be found here. You do not have to go to different areas to buy different things. People also prefer going to market where they have a choice and variety of goods. Like in this weekly market, what you will find everything at one place only. Like you'll see vegetables, groceries, utensils, and clothes. Everything you will found at one place, and people also prefer going to market where they have choice and variety of goods. And people also like we people also love to go a place where you can found everything at one place. Now here is a story of a Samir, seller of clothes. So this Samir is a small trader in the weekly market. He buys clothes from a large trader in the town and sells them in six different markets in a week. Like in a week there are 6 working days, so they people just selling the things on different days in different markets. Okay, so he buy clothes from a trader in the town and sell them in 6 different markets in a week. He and other clothes seller move in groups. He and his friends, those who belongs to the same occupation, they moves together, they hire a minivan for them, and they move from one place to another place together, so that they can avail the expenditure of minivan as well. His customers are from villagers that are near the marketplace at festival times, such as during Deepavali or Pongal. He does good business. His customer, जो भी उनके कस्टमर्स हैं, दे यूजली लिव्स इन विलेजेस. ओके, यहाँ जो उनके नियर बाय एरियाज़ हैं वहाँ पे. एट फेस्टिवल टाइम्स सच एज ड्यूरिंग दीपावली और पोंगल ही डज अ गुड बिजनेस. जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं उस टाइम पे उनकी जो सेल है वो क्या है, वो राइज हो जाती है. एंड ऑन दैट टाइम दे डज अ गुड बिजनेस. ओके, और उस टाइम पे उन्हें बहुत सारा प्रॉफिट मिलता है. नाउ दिस इज़ अबाउट द weekly market. I hope you all have understood what is happening in the weekly market. Like in the weekly market, it is day specified market. And what happened, that people usually go over there and buy the things, because they got everything at one place. Okay, and these weekly market is not a permanent market, it is a temporary market. And moreover, you will get things over here in weekly market at very low prices. Understand? Now our next point is shops in the neighborhood. Neighborhood means, like you all understand what is the meaning of neighbor. Neighborhood means जो हमारे नियर बाय एरिया में जो हमारे पड़ोसी हैं उसमें जो मार्केट होती हैं, it is about them. So we have seen that the weekly markets offer a variety of goods. However, we also buy things from other kinds of markets. There are many shops that sell goods and services in our neighborhoods. Like you will see at nearby your house, you will see some small shops over there, and you will also see some medical shops are there, and anything whatever is required over there, such kind of the small things you will find nearby your house. So those shops are known as shops in neighborhood. There are many shops that sell goods and services in our neighborhood. बहुत सारी ऐसी शॉप्स होती हैं जो हमारे नेबरहुड में होती हैं. We may buy milk from the dairy, groceries from departmental stores, stationery, eatables or medicines from other shops. Like we will buy all these things from from our neighborhood shops. Okay, many of these are permanent shops, while others are roadside stalls, such as that of the vegetable hawker and fruit vendor, the mechanic, etc. लाइक इसमें से कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं, कुछ शॉप्स ऐसी होती हैं, सॉरी, शॉप्स ऐसी होती हैं जो क्या हैं, परमानेंट शॉप्स होती हैं. बिकॉज जो ये शॉप्स किन की होंगी, जो हमारे नियर बाय एरियाज़ में लोग रहते हैं उन्हीं की शॉप्स होती हैं, इसीलिए दीज शॉप्स आर परमानेंट शॉप्स. वाइल अदर जो रोड साइड स्टॉल्स होती हैं, लाइक जो ठेले होते हैं रोड साइड, those are known as temporary, because daily they are coming over here, over there, and they are just establishing their stalls over there, and then they are going back to home in the evening. So कुछ होती हैं जो टेम्परेरी बेसिस पे होती हैं, कुछ ऐसी होती हैं जो परमानेंट बेसिस पे होती हैं. शॉप्स इन द नेबरहुड आर यूजफुल इन मैनी वेज. They are near our home and we can go there on any day of the week. Usually, the buyer and seller know each other, and these shops also provide goods on credit. Like the benefit of such shops is, like it is nearby our home. Whenever we required anything, we easily go there and we get it. Like अचानक से कोई गेस्ट आ गया आपके घर में, you need some refreshment things, you will go over there and get it within 5 minutes. Okay, so and मोर ओवर इसका एक और बेनिफिट होता है, बायर्स एंड सेलर नोन ईच अदर। लाइक जो हमारे नियर बाय एरिया की शॉप्स होती हैं, वहाँ के पे जिसकी शॉप है, जो हम लोग उनको जानते हैं वो कौन है, और वो भी हम लोगों को जानते हैं कि हम कौन हैं। तो वो क्या है, कई बार उधार पे भी ऐसे दे देते हैं वॉट एवर द प्रोडक्ट वी वॉन्ट। Okay, so this means that you can pay for the purchases later, as we saw in Sujata's case, for example. So here is the story of a Sujata, और उन्हीं के बारे में ये स्टोरी है कि आप वो जो शॉपकीपर हैं वो सुजाता को जानते हैं, इसीलिए वो वहाँ से उधार में लेके चले जाते हैं। सुजाता एंड कविता वर सेंट टू बाय groceries from their neighborhood shops. This was the shop they usually went to. It was crowded today. The shop owner managed the shop herself with two helpers. When they managed to get into the shop, Sujata dictated a list to her. She in turn began asking her helpers to weigh and pack the items. Meanwhile, Kavita looked around. क्या है, सुजाता और कविता दोनों को ग्रोसरी स्टोर पे भेजा गया है जो उनके नेबरहुड में है। दे वेंट ओवर देयर टू बाय समथिंग, और ये जो है कि आज वहाँ पे ज़्यादा भीड़ है। जो शॉपकीपर है वो खुद ही क्या कर रही है, इस शॉप को मैनेज करने की कोशिश कर रही है। लाइक हेयर यू विल सी, ये सुजाता और कविता हो सकती हैं, एंड दिस इज शॉप ओनर। तो ये क्या कर रही हैं, वहाँ पे शॉप को मैनेज करने की कोशिश कर रही है जो शॉप ओनर है। देन सुजाता वेंट ओवर देयर, और वो एक लिस्ट देती है जो शॉप ओनर है। तो वो शॉप ओनर बिना कुछ बोले जो उनके हेल्पर्स हैं उनको बोल रही है कि जस्ट पैक ऑल दीज थिंग्स वॉट एवर इज मैंशनड इन द list. On the top left shelf, there were different brands of detergent cakes. Another shelf had toothpaste, talcum powder, shampoo, hair oil. The different brands and different colors looked so attractive on the floor. Lay a few sacks. It took almost 20 minutes to weigh and pack all the groceries. Then Sujata showed her notebook. The woman noted the amount of rupees 3000 in the notebook and gave it back. She also noted the amount in her big register. Then Sujata took the heavy bag out of the shop. Her family will pay for the purchases in the first week of next month. अब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन दी है कि उस शॉप में क्या क्या है। और जो लेफ्ट शेल्फ है वहाँ पे क्या है, डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स ऑफ डिटर्जेंट केक्स, लाइक जो डिटर्जेंट बार्स होती हैं उसके बारे में बताया है कि वहाँ पे वो पड़े हुए हैं। शैम्पूज़ हैं एक साइड पे, टेल्कम पाउडर्स हैं, शैम्पूज़ हैं, और ये सारे क्या हैं, बहुत ही अट्रैक्टिव लग रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर कलर। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कलर्स आर देयर। ऑन द फ्लोर ले अ फ्यू सैक्स, और फ्लोर पे क्या है, कुछ सैक्स पड़ी हैं। और 20 मिनट्स लगते हैं जो सुजाता है उसका जो मटेरियल है उसको पैक होने में। Then Sujata showed her notebook. The woman noted the amount. Like here, you will see here Sujata. What is Sujata is showing her notebook to the owner, and the owner is noting down that 3000 is pending. जो किसको पे करना है, सुजाता को पे करना है। किसको, जो शॉप ओनर है उसको पे करना है। तो सुजाता ने उसको दिखा दिया, और जो शॉप ओनर है शी इज़ ऑल्सो राइटिंग इन हर रजिस्टर कि अभी मुझे इनसे कितने रुपीज़ लेने हैं, 3000 लेने हैं। तो वो ये कब पे करेंगे, ऑन द वेरी फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ नेक्स्ट मंथ। अंडरस्टैंड? So this shops, many of these are permanent shop, while others roadside stalls such as. सो हैव यू सीन दैट जो शॉप्स हैं जो हमारे नेबरहुड में हैं वो क्या हैं, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़फुल होती हैं। दे आर नियर आर होम एंड वी कैन गो देयर ऑन एनी डे ऑफ द वीक। यूजली द बायर्स एंड सेलर knows each other, and these shops also provide goods on credit. This means that you can pay for the purchases later, as Sujata. Okay, so this is the benefit ऑफ द नेबरहुड शॉप, लाइक यू विल गो एवरी टाइम, कभी भी जा सकते हैं आप, कभी भी कुछ भी ख़रीद के ला सकते हैं आप जो बायर है और सेलर है वो एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, और वो क्या कर सकते हैं, जो बिल है वो बाद में भी पे कर सकते हैं, और ये क्या है कि वो उस टाइम पे उधार भी ले सकते हैं। तो अभी क्या है, बाय द नेक्स्ट वीडियो और बाय द नेक्स्ट क्लास वील रीड फर्दर। ओके, तो टिल द टाइम टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ।